In this video, I am going to give the summary about agility and extreme programming process, which are the last topics in first unit. So, in this video, we will see agility and extreme programming process. We will see one by one. First topic is agility. So, agile software development is an umbrella activity. Umbrella activity is a set of methods and tools and practices and principles expressed in agile to provide the good solution and collaboration between the self-organizing teams which are utilizing the appropriate practice for the further development. So, the agile model is a combination of iterative and incremental process model. The main focus is the process adaptability and customer satisfaction by the rapid delivery of the working product to the user. So, the main point of agile software development is the agile software model is a combination of iterative and incremental process model, and the main outcome of and main aim of agile software is first one is process adaptability and customer satisfaction. Both are achieved by delivering the rapid working product to the customer. So, the four values in agile software development: individuals and interactions between the customer or process. Second one is working software. The produced software should be the worked one. Next one is customer collaboration. Every customer to be collaborate and combinate with other one. Final one is responding to change. If the customer give any response to a particular change in the particular product, we have to be adapt to that. So the responding to change is the last value in agile. So the agile software development main focus is iterative and incremental model, and also provide the main focus of agile model is process adaptability and customer satisfaction, which is achieved by the rapid delivery of the working software. So why agile? In what situation the agile software development is used? Because software development is nothing but going to develop the particular software. So what is agile software development? In what situations we are using agile software development? Technology in the current world is progressing very faster than ever, and also the software companies to work in the vast phased changing environment, because the business are operating in an ever changing environment. So it is very impossible to gather the complete and inclusive set of software requirements. Without these requirements, it becomes practically very hard for any conventional software process model such as waterfall model, any model, incremental model. So, in this situation, agile software development comes to rescue and overcome the problem. So, the agile software development was specially designed to cure and recover the needs of rapid changing environment by providing the idea of incremental development model and develop the actual final product. So this is the situation. In previous video, we saw a perspective process model and specialized process model. Those models are used to deliver the software product. So in some situation, in this fast world, fast running environment and fast changing environment, fast global companies, the requirements to be changed in day to day, in time to time, in hour to hour, the requirements need have to be changed. So to adapt those changes, the conventional models are not suitable for delivering the particular product. So in this situation, the agile software development to become to overcome and rescue the problem which arise in the previous situation. So some of the principle in agile software development. First one is highest priority. Next one is the main focus of agile software development is changing environment or changing requirement. Then third principle is delivering the working product frequently. They have to deliver the working product in a frequent manner. In day to day, they have to deliver the product in a frequent manner, and they have to build the projects around motivated individuals. And working software is the primary measure of progress. Simplicity is the main principle in agile software development, and it is most efficient and effective method comparatively other process model. So this is the agile software development principles, which is mainly used to overcome the problems which are occurred in previous stages. So what is the development to be occurred in Agile? The allocation of requirements and the design planning and development are executed in a series of increments. So in conventional model, where requirements gathering needs to be completed in order to proceed to the design and development phase, it gives Agile development at extra level of flexibility. The main development of Agile development is it is very flexible. So the Agile process focus on code development rather than documentation, because in previous conventional model and specialized process model they focus on the documentation. After delivering the product they have to be documented each and everything. So there are some problems over there. So Agile process main focus is code development rather than documentation. So the Agile method is the approach to project management which is utilized in software development. This method assists teams in responding to the unpredictability of constructing software, and also it mainly focuses on incremental and iterative work which are commonly known as sprints. So the next topic is extreme programming, which is also called as XP process. In main, software engineering involved or focus on three activities: creativity, learning, and iterations. Creativity means we have to be the customer needs have to be changed each and everything. They have to be created the requirements in their minds. So the main it will start with creativity. Second one is learning. The software engineering and developer have to learn the requirements from the customer and also learn between the developers. And final one is iterations. If there is any need of iterations or repetitions, they will go with iterations. So the extreme programming builds on these activities and coding. It is a detailed design activity with multiple feedback loops through effective implementation. So extreme programming is based on some of the values. The first value is communication, simplicity, feedback, courage, and respect. These are the 5 important values or characteristics in extreme programming. Communication is very important because whenever we have to communicate with the customer, then only the software developer and engineer should have some knowledge about the requirements. So the communication is the main point in extreme programming. Simplicity is nothing but if you are developing particular approach or particular technology or particular method, that should be a simple one. Then only the customer and anyone and everyone can easy to understood and easy to use and easy to reuse and manage. So simplicity is the main point. Then feedback is the main one. Every software developer and engineer should get the feedback from the customer after delivering the product. Then only we can further developing the product. Next one is courage. Courage in the sense the software product developer and engineer should have some courage to deliver the software product. Then only they can give some assurance to the user. Final one is respect. Each and everyone should give respect to the user or customer or between the software developers and engineers. For example, if the software engineer should not give some respect to the below user, then they can't give the correct product to the user. So each and every software developer or engineer should give some respect to all workers who are involved in the software development process. So these are the 5 values to be used in the extreme programming process. So what is extreme programming? It is a lightweight, efficient, low risk, flexible, predictable, scientific and fun way to develop a software. It was developed to address the specific needs of software by small teams in the face of vague and changing requirements. The main point is it is mainly focused on the changing requirements. So it is one of the Agile software development because Agile software development is also developed for the changing requirements. So extreme programming is one of the Agile software development process. So they are providing values and principles to guide the team behavior, because everyone should have courage and respect So they are guiding team behavior by providing some principles. So the team is expected to self-organize. They have to be organized by themselves. Then only the some of the values of extreme programming process to be developed. So some of the practices and the principles are there for team behavior. First one is every practice should be simple and self-complete. Then they have to be combined with the practices. Then only they produce more complex and emergent behavior. And they follow extreme programming values. In this previous slide, we see the values. So the practices should follow the programming values. So the same point, extreme programming is based on 5 values: communication, simplicity, feedback, courage, respect. These are the 5 values also coming under the programming practices. So the main 4 basic activities in extreme programming: coding, testing, and planning or listening, and designing. So these are the activities to be considered in extreme programming for developing the software product. Consider the example. It start with planning. Planning to designing goes with story card or task card. Story card is nothing but in initial, software developer or engineer have to gather the requirement from the user. From that requirements, the software developer creates some story card, which means the activities to be written in a card, which is called a story card. That particular story card is passed to the next phase, design phase. From that design phase, the simple design to be developed, the design represents the activities or requirements to be gathered from the customer. The design should be simple, because then only the user or developer or engineer easy to manage and easy to use and easy to understand. So the simple design to be passed to the next phase, coding phase. Coding phase is nothing but the software programmer to be write the programs based on the simple design. In that coding phase, the refactoring process to be done to reduce the redundancy and repetition to improve the quality of the code. Then final one is the coding phase, give the code to the next phase, testing phase. By testing phase, they are testing the each and every unit by using the unit testing. And finally they are all the phases are together integrated. Then integration testing to be done based on the components. Testing types or change, because testing having many types: unit test, integration testing, validation testing, system testing. There are many types. So based on the components, so unit testing is followed by integration testing. After that testing, the product to be delivered to the customer in an increment manner, because extreme programming is based on incremental and iterative nature. So the product is developed based on iterative and increment manner. So the testing to be done by acceptance testing after delivering the product. So the acceptance testing is nothing but it have the assurity or insurance something about the product to be delivered to the customer, and the product to be acceptable by the customer. That is acceptance testing. So in this video we saw agility, software development, and extreme programming. So agility is mainly focused on the software development by using the incremental and iterative nature, and extreme programming is also the one of the agile software development. They focus on some values: communication, simplicity, feedback, and courage and respect. So these are the methods and values to be followed in extreme programming to deliver the particular software product. So these are the some introduction and summary about the first unit.